The UK climate is ideal for the growth of moss, lichen and algae on external buildings and surrounding deckings, gardens, paths and driveways. This will have a serious effect on the visual appearance and value of your property. Until now, you've probably got the power wash out in an attempt to clean these difficult growths away. But as you know, this is very time consuming, and after all your effort, it doesn't kill the moss. A new breakthrough from Sprayway called Mould, Lichen and Algae Remover kills moss, lichen and algae fast, with minimal effort. Simply dilute the moss mover solution with water and you're ready to go. The solution is very safe, it's non-caustic, non-acidic and does not contain bleach. Mould, Lichen and Algae Remover is ideal for spraying stone pathways, concrete and tarmac that has moss build-up. As you can see, the results are amazing. Often ornamental stonework can become unsightly due to moss and algae. One spray and it's soon back to looking in pristine condition. Decking and garden furniture are particularly prone to moss and algae buildup, making garden furniture unsightly and decking very slippery. Solve this problem fast. Mould, Lichen and Algae Remover works by killing the roots of the growth, and over the next few weeks the weather does the rest and you're left with amazing results. Moss, lichen and algae simply disappears. Order yours today.